Sargent, and I'm back today with a little bit different video. As you can see, things got a little bit off the rails today. It got a little crazy. I was figuring out how to use the Colourpop Super Shock shadows, which I have never used before. And so I just experimented today. If you guys want to see how I came up with this crazy look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so I have a bunch of different Colourpop Super Shock shadows here. Like so many I can't even hold them all. I don't really have a plan going into this look. I can tell you that I have never used the Super Shock shadows before, so I wanted to go ahead and give them a try. I know that they're a little bit of a different eyeshadow than like anyone else has, but I just kind of wanted to play around. I want to try to use as many colors as I can today. Again, I really don't have a plan. I just kind of want to go nuts, so I don't know if this is going to end up being a wearable look. I don't even know if I'm going to like this look by the time that I'm done with it, to be honest. So you know what? We're just going to see what happens. When I went shopping on the Colourpop website, I went ahead and just picked up a bunch of different colors, so hopefully we'll get a really cool look out of this. I also today thought it would be best to go in with kind of some like fluffier dome brushes, some denser ones, just because I thought that that might be easier to work with this cream consistency with. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and just get started using this color right here called I Like You. And I'm just gonna use this as a transition shade and just kind of pop it through my crease and see what happens. So this is a true experiment. Just loading up my brush with this. Again, I really don't know what to expect with color payoff or how easily these blend out, but we're gonna find out. Okay, so it did deposit that color down pretty well. It does feel a little weird, like a creamy consistency. Let me see if I'm able to blend this out at all. So not really. They are kind of hard to blend. I mean, well, at least this color is. It's not really doing much. I might end up doing this with my fingers, who knows. Okay, I think I want to get a little crazy and stick this up in the front of my eyebrows. Okay, so far, I don't know, this is a little bit drier of a formula, so I found it kind of hard to blend, but we're gonna keep going and see what happens. Okay, next up I'm gonna use this bright red color called Baby Talk, and I am just going to stamp this down in my crease and blend it out, kind of up over the top of that yellow color. Again, it almost seems like I might be better off like just going in with my fingers. This formula is not really that brush friendly, it doesn't seem. These might make good like lid toppers is kind of what I'm thinking. If you guys use these or have used these, let me know down below how you guys use them. Like, what's your technique? Okay, I'm just going back over with that yellow color that I was using before, and I'm just trying to use that to blend out this red color. Okay, next up I'm going in with this color right here, Snapdragon. This is like a nice turquoisey color. And as you guys can tell, I'm really not being precise with this at all. I'm just kind of painting it on wherever I want. Okay, next up I'm taking this really dark navy shimmery blue color. This is called Coconut, and this actually is much softer than the other ones. Okay, and I'm just going to be putting this right where I put that turquoise, just to like try to deepen this up a bit. Okay, so I think I might try going in with my finger now. I'm gonna put some on my lids. This is in the color Frog, and it's just a nice pinky champagne shimmery color. And I'm just gonna see if that works a bit better on my finger. Here's the color Twitter Pated. This is gonna be a little bit more pink than the other one that I just put down. It looks like a pink with some gold flecks in it. And I'm just gonna put that on my lid also, just right over the top of what I just put down. Okay, this is a really pretty color. It is a fuchsia pink color with some shift in it, and this one's called Set to Sun, and I'm just gonna lay that down on my eyelid too. I'm gonna go back in with my finger with this red shade and just try to kind of pat this down in the center. Then I'm gonna go back in with that dark blue color and just kind of do the same thing. I'm just gonna go over what I already put down just to try to get it a little bit deeper and maybe like a little bit messier. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the red and I'm just going to pat this along my lower lash line. Next I'm going back in with that orangey color. I'm just gonna pat this along the edges of the red just to try to blend it out a little bit. Okay, next up I'm going in with this deeper color. It's like a charcoaly brown color, and this one's called Bouncy. And I'm just gonna use this to hopefully darken up my inner and outer corners and just add a little bit more like shadow into this look. And now I'm just going back in with that blue, and I'm just gonna be placing this on the outer edges. Okay, and I'm just going to be taking my brush here and just trying to blend that out somewhat. Okay, going back in with that red. Okay, so I went back in with these three colors, I Like You, Set to Sun, and Ladybird, and just kind of finished this look off by just alternating fingerprints on my inner corners and then also on my eyelids. Just trying to add some like highlight and shade with the darker colors, just to give a little dimension. Now I'm gonna go in with this Kat Von D lip liner in the color X. And I'm just going to put this in my inner waterline. Okay, next up I'm going to go in with the Super Shock highlighter in the color Flexitarian. And I am just going to put this under my brow bone. Now I'm going to take Kat Von D's Liner X, and I'm just going to draw over my eyebrows a little bit and just kind of try to create some sort of graphic, interesting sort of shape, just kind of a messier kind of brow. Okay, I think I want to put a little bit of this Flexitarian on my inner corner as well. As well as just some right above my eyebrows, just a little bit. So I went ahead and just did some graphic eyeliner as well, underneath and then into a point. And then I went ahead and just slapped some more Flexitarian on top in the center of my eyes. Since I do have hooded eyes, I really didn't want to lose my whole eyelid with the black liner. I'm going to use this Kat Von D taupe color to do that real quick. I also have this color Slave to Pink, and I think I'm just gonna try to put this somewhere on my eye because it's a really nice fuchsia color. Okay, I do want to go in with a little bit of blush. I'm gonna try to use this red. Again, I totally don't mind if it's a little splotchy. Now I'm gonna go back in with Flexitarian and just put that down as a highlight. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back in with that fuchsia color. I'm also going to put just a little bit on my nose also. Okay, I'll put a little bit more of that on my cheeks as well. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this gold color and I'm going to pat this all over my lips and also around my lips. Okay, then I'm going in with this pink color. And then I'm going to go in with the red. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the blue. And I'm just wiping whatever residual I have below my lip. Next, I'm going to be putting on some mascara, and I'm just going to use IT Cosmetics Superhero. I think I might want to run some of this black mascara through my brows a little bit at the beginning. Then I also want to smudge some of this down on my lower lash line, but like press it in and make it kind of smudgy. Okay, next I'm going to pop some lashes on. I'm going to be using these Eylure lashes. They're a little bit doll-like and separated, but still super fluffy. And these are number 126. Alright, so I have the lashes on, and I just realized that I have this Milk Cosmetics star stamp, and I thought that that might look kind of cute with this look. Apparently this ended up being a clown look. I said I wanted to go crazy, and I think I did. One last finishing touch here. I have a hat that I want to put on. Okay guys, hat's on. I think that that's it. Maybe I should have uploaded this around Halloween. I had no idea how this was going to turn out. Things got a little crazy. Clearly. It was fun to experiment with some different techniques and some different products today, and you know, I had fun. I hope that you guys had a good time as well. Go ahead and let me know what you thought of this crazy off the rails look down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, because clearly you never know what you're gonna get. Alright, don't forget you can also follow me on Instagram at Sarah Sargent Pepper. That is gonna be my lifestyle page. I post some makeup and some of my life touring with musicians on the road, my other job, all that good stuff. That just about does it for today. I hope you guys have a really great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.